time for a technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened flat today and traded in a sideways manner for almost a whole part of the day, and ended the day with a 5-point cut on the Nifty. The advance decline ratio was negative, with 620 advances to 914 declines. The mid cap index was up by 0.2%, and the small cap index was down by 0.4% in today's trading session. From the Nifty 50 pack, Infosys, HUL, HCL Tech, Reliance, ITC were some of the major losers in trade today, while Tata Motors, TCS, L&T, ONGC, Hindalco, Tisco were some of the stocks which managed to close in the positive today. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can observe that the Nifty for the whole day traded in a sideways manner and consolidated around the 40-day exponential moving average, which is placed at around 7450 odd levels. Now this 40-day exponential moving average is a crucial level, and the Nifty for the whole day consolidated over here only. So in tomorrow's trading session, if we see the Nifty drifting below 7420, which is the low it touched in today's trading session, then we might see the Nifty falling up till 7400 and 7370 on the downside. The daily momentum indicator is having a negative crossover, so it indicates that the momentum should be on the downside. Now moving on to the hourly charts, we can observe that the Nifty has been trading in a sideways manner in today's trading session throughout the day. The hourly momentum indicator has given a positive crossover. So if in tomorrow's trading session, if we open positive and trade in a positive territory for some time, we might just get a bounce because as we are falling for the last 4 to 5 trading sessions, and we might just get a retracement or a bounce in tomorrow's or day after tomorrow's trading session. However, the overall strategy to play Nifty should be to sell on every rise near resistances. Near resistances mean by that I mean the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages. So if the Nifty bounces, then traders should go short near the averages. The averages are placed at 7515 and 7562. So these are the crucial levels or the crucial resistances where the traders can look for signs of weakness. If we say if we get a hourly negative close of some sort, so that is a sign of weakness. So traders can look for such signs of weakness and go short on Nifty near resistances. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has closed in the positive today. It was falling since last 5 trading sessions, and today it has just given a positive daily close. We expect this might just be a sideways price consolidation in Bank Nifty. Today we saw some of the banking sector stocks like Oriental Bank of Commerce, State Bank of India, and other small PSU banks gaining in trade today. On the flip side, the banks like ICICI Bank closed in the negative today. So there was a mixed bag in banking stocks as well. We expect the Bank Nifty also to drift lower, and we expect levels of 14,405, which is the low of today, and below that 13,900, which is a crucial support. On the upside, 14,661 and 14,835, which are the 20 and 40 hourly Bank Nifty averages, hourly moving averages of Bank Nifty can act as crucial resistances. So overall friends, our view on the Nifty still remains negative. Today was the 5th consecutive day when the Nifty has closed in the negative. On the hourly chart, we can observe positive crossover on the momentum indicator. So if we get a bounce in the coming trading sessions, traders should go short near resistances. Resistances are placed at 7515 and 7562. On the downside, crucial supports are placed at 7422 and 7370. That's all for the day.